Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to click on Connected Devices and select Pair New Device. Wait for available ones to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you want to connect to. Now select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always forget this connection though by clicking on the connected device and choosing Forget, then Forget Device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!